Hey everyone, this is Magi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to lose weight fast but don't want to starve yourself, you're in the right place. We all know that feeling of wanting results yesterday, right? I am telling you this in my experience. I lost 50 pounds last year and kept it off. I have been there. Here is the picture. I used to be overweight. I know exactly how it feels. It's time to ditch the crash diets and impossible restrictions because I'm sharing my top 5 diet hacks that are actually sustainable. These are the little changes that make a huge difference in the long run. Get ready to transform your body and your relationship with food. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with hack number 1. Portion control. I know you've heard it before, but trust me, it's a game changer. And the best part is you don't have to give up your favorite foods. Instead of completely eliminating foods, let's focus on resizing those portions. A simple trick is to swap out your dinner plates for smaller ones. It's a mind game, but it works. Seeing a full plate, even if it's smaller, can trick your brain into feeling more satisfied. Another tip is to measure out your meals, at least in the beginning, until you get a better feel for the right portion sizes. Remember, it's all about balance and making sure you're eating enough to fuel your body without going overboard. Now let's move on to hack number 2, which is all about protein. Protein is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Why? Because it keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Plus, protein helps build lean muscle mass, and the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. Talk about a win-win. So how can you incorporate more protein into your diet? It's easier than you think. Make sure every meal features a good source of protein like chicken breast, fish, tofu, or beans. You can even add a scoop of protein powder to your smoothies or yogurt. Get creative and find what you enjoy most. Chapter 3. Hack number 3. Sugar, the sweet saboteur. Let's talk about sugar. It's lurking everywhere. Hack number 3 is all about reducing your sugar intake. I'm not saying you have to give up sweets entirely, but we want to be mindful of those sneaky added sugars that are hiding in so many processed foods and drinks. I personally substituted Sug stevia for sugar to satisfy my craving. From the beginning, I didn't like it. Slowly, I got used to it. Now, I don't even like the taste of sugar. Read those labels carefully. Swap out sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs for a refreshing twist. And when you do have a craving for something sweet, opt for whole fruits instead. They're naturally sweet and packed with fiber, which helps regulate your blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full. Chapter 4. Hack number 4. Water, your weight loss secret weapon. This next hack is so simple, yet so many of us forget to do it. Hack number 4 is to drink more water. Water is essential for a healthy body and mind, and it plays a vital role in weight loss. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Staying hydrated throughout the day can curb those cravings and prevent overeating. Try drinking a glass of water before each meal. It can help you feel fuller faster, so you're less likely to overeat. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and make it a habit to take sips throughout the day. You can even set reminders on your phone if you need a little nudge. Chapter 5, hack number 5, mindful eating. Listen to your body. Now let's move on to our final hack, which is all about mindful eating. In today's fast-paced world, we often rush through our meals, not really paying attention to what or how much we're eating. Mindful eating is about slowing down and savoring each bite. Put your phone away, turn off the TV, and create a calm eating environment. Pay attention to the textures, smells, and flavors of your food. As you eat, check in with your body and ask yourself how you feel. Are you still hungry, or are you starting to feel satisfied? The goal is to eat until you're comfortably full, not overly stuffed. Outro, you got this. So there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful diet hacks to help you lose weight fast without starving yourself. Remember, these hacks are all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Incorporate these into your daily routine, and I promise you'll start to see and feel a difference. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weight loss tips and tricks. And be sure to share your favorite diet hacks in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, take care and keep working towards your goals.